Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what we confidently consider the best portable hard drive in the 2TB plus category. The Toshiba Canvio Basics 2TB Portable External Hard Drive. Whether you're a student, content creator, gamer, or business professional, this device could be your ideal solution for simple, fast, and secure storage on the go. Let's dive right in. The Toshiba Canvio Basics 2TB is all about plug-and-play convenience. There's no software to install, no complicated setup. Straight out of the box, this drive is pre-formatted with NTFS for Windows. Which means all you need to do is connect it to your PC using the included USB cable, and you're ready to start transferring files. If you're a Mac user, a quick reformat will get it working smoothly with your system too. One of the standout features of the Canvio Basics is its sleek and compact design. It has a smooth matte black finish that resists fingerprints and smudges, making it perfect for travel or tossing into your backpack without worry. The drive is built with a 2.5-inch form factor, so it's compact and lightweight enough to carry in your pocket. Under the hood, it uses USB 3.0 technology for fast data transfers, significantly faster than USB 2.0. Though it's still backward compatible, so if you're plugging into an older device, it'll still work seamlessly. Whether you're backing up important documents, offloading high-resolution videos, or storing large project files, the speed and reliability here are what you'd expect from a top-tier brand like Toshiba. Capacity-wise, the 2TB version gives you ample room to store hundreds of thousands of photos, songs, and documents, or dozens of full-length movies and massive software backups. It's ideal for users who need a straightforward, high-capacity drive without all the extra bells and whistles. One thing users really appreciate is that there's no need for an external power source. The drive pulls just enough power through the USB connection itself, so there's no additional cable clutter. This makes it perfect for people who are constantly on the move or working from multiple locations. The Canvio Basics also boasts durability. Though it's not rugged or water-resistant, the design has proven to handle day-to-day use with minimal risk. Internally, Toshiba's quality control and manufacturing standards give the drive a long lifespan and consistent performance. Now, if you're considering price, this drive consistently punches above its weight. While other drives in the 2TB category often include additional software or cloud backups, the Canvio Basics keeps it simple, and that simplicity translates into cost savings. You're getting exactly what you need: reliable, fast, portable storage without the fluff. In terms of compatibility, aside from Windows and Mac, you can also use this drive with smart TVs, gaming consoles like PlayStation and Xbox, and even some Android devices via OTG adapters. This makes it a versatile solution for multiple storage needs, media, gaming, backups, and more. Overall, the Toshiba Canvio Basics 2TB model strikes the perfect balance between affordability, performance, and ease of use. It doesn't try to be fancy, and that's what makes it such a great buy. It's storage made simple, and in many ways, that's exactly what most users are looking for. So, if you're in the market for a 2TB plus portable external hard drive that won't let you down, the Toshiba Canvio Basics deserves a top spot on your list. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Product Critique for more tech insights, product breakdowns, and buying advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.